7 reasons to include turmeric in your daily diet. Among the eating habits of Indians, turmeric is one of the most important. There is no doubt that turmeric has the cure for all the problems in the body from head to toe. Turmeric contains protein, vitamins, calcium, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Here are 7 reasons why turmeric should be included in your daily diet. Number 1. To increase immunity. Lipopolysaccharide in turmeric helps in boosting the immune system. Turmeric is resistant to bacteria, viruses, and fungus. By eating turmeric, the human body can fight off diseases. Number 2. To facilitate digestion. Turmeric powder is a substance that is always added to our curries. There are some scientific reasons behind this. Turmeric is a remedy for digestive problems. For heartburn, mix 4 cups of boiled water with a little turmeric and drink it. Number 3. Turmeric protects the liver. Turmeric can increase the liver's ability to purify the blood. Similarly, turmeric also helps in increasing blood circulation. Turmeric helps the liver expel toxins from the body. Even if you include 1 teaspoon of turmeric in your daily diet, you can fully experience the benefits of turmeric. Number 4. Turmeric helps in brain function. Turmeric can increase the flow of oxygen to the brain and remove plaque from the brain, helping to fight deafness. Research has shown that turmeric helps to reduce the severity of Alzheimer's disease. Number 5. Turmeric controls diabetes. Turmeric helps to control insulin and glucose levels to some extent. Turmeric also can prevent type 2 diabetes. However, taking turmeric along with strong medicines can lower the blood sugar level and lead to hypoglycemia. Number 6. Turmeric reduces the risk of cancer. Science tells us that turmeric has a special ability to fight prostate cancer. Numerous studies have shown that turmeric can fight tumor cells found in the blood, such as T-cell, leukemia, and carcinoma of the intestines and breast. Number 7. Turmeric helps to dry wounds. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic. It is also very effective in drying wounds as it can fight bacteria. I hope you liked this video. Please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Billion Stories and follow our Facebook page as well, because more incredible contents are on the way.